Okay, so similar to my last 2-week trip in America, down the West Coast, I wanted to do another video where I did a 2-week Japan trip. What did I pack in my bag video? Just because I've been kind of practicing packing in one bag and trying to pack as light as possible, but also as efficient as possible. So yeah, that being said, I kind of wanted to give you guys a run through of everything that I brought for 2 weeks in Japan. So I'll just start from the outside of the pack and work my way in. You guys know that I have an Osprey. I got the 40-liter bag. I could have gone with the 55-liter and probably will be going with the 55-liter in the future, just because it gives me that extra bit of room, because I do carry camera gear and, you know, other pieces of electronics and stuff like that. But if I did not carry that much gear or anything like that, this would be plenty of space. But first, my outside pocket is always my toiletries. So right here, let's bring you guys in with me. Right here, deodorant, lotion, and as you can see right there, little toiletries bag that has all my basic necessities and, you know, all that stuff in it. Then I'll work my way in to the outside pocket. Now this pocket, it all just depends on how you pack it. If you know what you're doing, then you can fit quite a good amount of stuff in here. If you just kind of throw stuff in there haphazardly, not gonna go very far for you. So I brought a day pack because when you're traveling around, getting in and out of metros and going to the city and stuff like that, you're not gonna wanna bring this type of backpack. You don't wanna bring kind of a travel backpack to try and lug around the whole time. So this is a smaller, I think it's like an 18-liter or 15-liter bag that folds up into itself. So this is its travel form, and then it unfolds into a regular kind of backpack that you can just sling around and carry your basic stuff in. So that's pretty cool. Then I have my electronics pack. So that kind of has all my... What?
2 things.
What?
One, when you press a button, water squirts you in the butt.
Yes.
Very, very aggressive and very, very fast.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm looking, I was like, beep. And it was like,
Okay, and number 2.
Squeeze your butt cheeks. Huh?
Number 2.
Number 2, there's also another one with a lady's face on it, but I don't know what that one means.
That's your special lady.
Yeah. I was about to say, I think that gets part number 2.
Ah, because I kept pressing it, but nothing came out. But I think that's because I already flushed. So maybe next
Probably,
time.
yeah.
Let me go press it right now.
Anyways, I have my electronics bag. So this has all my chargers, batteries, memory cards, all that type of stuff. I just throw it in one little packing cube, and it fits nicely in here. When I'm not carrying my laptop and my bigger electronics, I can get away with an even smaller packing cube that I have, which is about half the size of the one that I just showed you. So, yeah, that's very useful for keeping all of those together in one place, so they're easily accessible. What else do we got? I bring up, before I go there, this is, oh yeah, I threw some dead GoPro batteries in here. Those need to be charged. Put those guys right there. But this is where I put my Kindle, right here. And then I also put my hard drives for my computer. So I have one that's my main storage drive. That's the bigger guy, obviously. And then this is my editing drive that I do stuff off of. Editing because just it makes it go faster, simply put. Okay. Zip that guy back up. Obviously in here I have my laptop. Nice big 15-inch, fits perfectly in the Osprey, no problems. Latch that over just like that and it works perfectly fine. Then I can close this up and move to the main compartment now. Just so that's not flopping all over the place. I'm ready to go like this too. If we're just going 7-Eleven, I'm ready to go like this.
Okay, let me just...
But anyways, now we go to our main compartment. And this isn't even full, as you can see. I've still got enough for another layer of packing cube and clothes right here. And if I really wanted to, I could stuff some extra stuff in this top and side compartments and everything like that. But yes, this is my main compartment and everything that I packed for 2 weeks. So, I packed an extra pair of shoes. These are kind of like a little bit nicer. They go with nicer outfits like polos and pants and stuff like that. But yeah, they look a little bit nicer than my walking shoes that I was wearing when I ran up in here. And that I will be wearing for the majority of the trip. Then I got my camera tucked in here. I know camera geeks don't yell at me. I lost my lens cap not too long before I came on this trip and did not have time to get a new one. This one is protected. This one needs to be protected. I got it. Anyways, last but not least, I got my clothes. So I packed one large packing cube that handles all my clothes. Boy, pop this guy out real quick and let you guys see what I mean. Okay, so I roll my clothes, and as you can see, everything fits in there nice and easy. And I've got clothes for lots of different situations, and for pretty much a whole week I'm packed. I have one pair of khakis that are black, one pair of khakis that are brown, and these are shorts. I have one pair of long khakis, so pants right here, 4 pairs of spare socks, plus the ones that I'm wearing, so 5 pairs of socks. Then I have 5 pairs of underwear packed in here, plus the ones I'm wearing, 6 pairs of underwear. Then I have 4 shirts, plus the one I'm wearing, which is 5 t-shirts. Then I have one nice shirt, one polo that's rolled up in here, kind of a dry fit polo that is very comfortable and breathable, but looks nicer with the pants and the shoes and stuff for nicer occasions and stuff like that. And last but not least, pack your swim trunks. Never know when you might have to go take a swim or a dip or anything like that. So all of that fits nice and neat and symmetrical, rolled up into my large packing cube, which I then stuff into the bottom of my bag, and I'm good to go. And that is everything, I think. Yeah, that's everything that I packed in here for a 2-week experience in Japan. Oh, I forgot. One extra packing cube, because, like I stated earlier, I have room for another layer of packing cube in here. So, most of the time when you get souvenirs, you're going to get small stuff, like, shirts, cups, mugs, keychains, maybe like hats or whatever, like, stuff like that. You're not really gonna need a huge amount of space to bring back your souvenirs. So that being said, I throw an extra packing cube in here. It serves as another place to put my clothes that I may end up buying and bringing back with me, or it serves as a place that I can put dirty laundry and separate it from my clean laundry, so that way things aren't mixing together. But that is it. That's everything that I've packed for a 2-week vacation to Japan with room to spare. So I hope that kind of helps give you guys an idea of everything that you can accomplish with a 40-liter bag, or an Osprey in particular. And it goes to show you that you don't really need a whole bunch of stuff. You don't need to be carrying 2 giant duffel bags or 2 giant suitcases or whatever. Grab one of these, learn to pack what you need, and you're good to go.